What is up, guys? Snowboard over here. Today we're gonna be reviewing about my new game. Well, not my new game. I'm my IRL friend is making it, and it's gonna be called what's it called? Smok Land of Horror. No, Smok Land of Horror. That's gonna be the name. My I'll be putting the Discord in the description. And yeah, let's start talking about this game. So this new game is getting released in it's gonna be getting released let's say the game will be getting beta test on July 1st, and then it's going to be out somewhere around July, but we're not because we have to tell Smok, which is the owner of the game, tell him if there's any bugs, and it might take a while to fix. Yeah. So first off, I'll be telling y'all what we want in our Discord server. First, we want boosters, more members in the active community. Wait, did I say boosters already? I think I did. And then we also want more staff right now, but I say how many staff we need. So right now we only need 6 more moderators and 4 more beta testers. The gates will be closing. The gates will be closing in June. And what was I gonna say again? Also, what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, these monsters that Smok makes, he makes them. They're not copyrighted from a different website. He actually made them himself, and I also made some by myself. But I'm just terrible at animating. He's really good at animating monsters. So yeah. Also, the Discord server that I'm gonna be sending, that's the Discord server I made by my own. So I think I look good on it. And what else do I want to say? Oh, I'll be putting Smok's channel in the description. Maybe not. Wait a minute. I'm good at playing. Whoa. Did I say that we also want this community? Yeah. Also, make sure that you have good first you have to verify you made it, the people need to verify, and also you made it so that we can let's say what should we say? Also, this service is not, I'm pretty sure it's not family friendly, and I curse a lot. Well, I think it is, not that it is. And also, what I was gonna say is that we also celebrate different things in the Discord server, such as birthdays, maybe holidays. Yeah, holidays. I don't know about this actually, but we can celebrate birthdays. We celebrate holidays. Oh wait, another thing, guys. that I haven't been posting it, but I did a live stream yesterday, which still works. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Hopefully when y'all could join the Discord server, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.